What's up, guys? So we got some quick tech news. So we got Huawei's foldable Mate X 5G phone. It actually leaked ahead of MWC, which is on Sunday. So we'll have the official news for you. But as you can see from the leak, it looks extremely cool. As you can see the design, they don't have a two-fold screen design like the Galaxy Fold. So it sort of folds out from, I guess, like it looks like it's coming out from the side really, and it looks really cool, really interesting. Definitely keeps sort of like a bend looking thing to it. As you can see, it doesn't look perfectly straight. So Huawei does seem to be taking a different strategy. As you can see, the screen comes outward to convert to a single layer display into a usable screen on both sides of the closed phone, as opposed to the Galaxy Fold, which features two discrete screens and a smaller one on the outside and a larger folding internal display. So it looks really cool. We're gonna have the official details Sunday. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.